The benefits of installing wrought iron spiral staircases. On their own, a metal staircase and a wrought iron staircase already have their own set of advantages that are enough to make you consider putting them in your home or office. So why not combine the two and install wrought iron spiral stairs from a reputable Orange County Iron Works supplier? The benefits are solid in terms of space, quality, and aesthetics. Whether you want to replace an existing staircase in your home or you want to install an additional one, a spiral staircase made of wrought iron should be one of your considerations. Top reasons why a wrought iron staircase is just what you need. It saves space. If you don't have much room to accommodate the usual linear stairs, a spiral one is the best space-saving option, especially if you have a loft. The smallest spiral staircase will only occupy around 1,200 mm square of space or 1,500 mm by 1,500 mm. Compare this with the 3,350 mm by 800 mm, which is the least amount of space that you will need for a traditional straight staircase. Also, the higher your stairs go, the more space you can use to store furniture underneath. It's not criminally expensive. For those working on more modest budgets, there are spiral staircase kits designed to fit standard spaces. These should not cost you an arm and a leg. Now, if you choose a variety of wrought iron in Orange County, you may have to shell out more, but considering the durability and low maintenance of the metal, the extra will be definitely worth the investment. It's highly versatile. If you want more options design-wise for your staircase, then a metal one is the way to go. Stairs made of wrought iron and other metal types such as aluminum and stainless steel can be custom made according to your specifications, in whatever size and shape you prefer. You can buy them in kits or custom designed to meet your unique style. Whether you go for a simple, modern look or something elegant and traditional, the design options are practically limitless. You can also mix Orange County Metal Works with other materials such as wood and glass for a more unique appearance. It's easy to maintain. Metalworks, whether they are used for staircases or other areas of the house such as doors and fences, require very little maintenance. Initially, you have to spend more for wrought iron metal works compared to the ones made of wood, but you will definitely save on maintenance since metal does not need to be painted, varnished, or applied with a sealant to keep it looking fresh. It's definitely durable. Wrought iron staircases are built to last and have been used in construction for many centuries, which is a testament to how tough and strong it is. Metal is resistant to extreme temperatures and highly functional, which makes it perfect for outdoor installations as well. Coastal homes often use metal staircases since they can withstand natural elements like sand, sea, and wind. It's great for indoor and outdoor. You can have a staircase made by a reliable Orange County Iron Works company installed in your balcony, which will serve as access to your yard or garden from your living room or bedroom. They are great for interiors too, in place of a traditional staircase. It looks gorgeous. Because metal is highly customizable in terms of design, it's not surprising that a wrought iron staircase can double as a work of art in your living space. Spiral staircases can sport very ornate designs, which makes them not just functional but aesthetically pleasant at the same time. Whether you go for an elaborate design or a highly modern minimalist look, a wrought iron spiral staircase will surely add a touch of glamour to your living space. Find the right wrought iron staircase in Orange County. Choosing the perfect wrought iron staircase for your home has never been easier, given the design and installation options available. The abundance of timeless designs means that your spiral staircase can become the right fit, whether you have traditional or modern-looking interiors. We can help you narrow down your best options when it comes to wrought iron staircases in Orange County. We offer comprehensive ironwork services, including custom metal works. We have a full-service metal workshop, which empowers our craftsmen to custom design and let them fabricate functional and decorative ironworks for any application. Discover how we can help you get the ironworks that your home or commercial space deserves. Contact our team at Nador's Custom Metal Works today at 714-266-1950.